finally a decent solar sensor light. Well, let's hope so. I was in Bunnings and I seen this reasonably cheap, so I thought I'd grab one and test it out. This is a solar sensor light. If this is any good, I might pick up another one or two of these, as I have a bit of a light fetish. You may see that in some of my videos coming up and that. I do like lights. I've got a little bit of a problem, I think. Give us a like if you like lights. But this is a pretty decent quality one. It comes with a obviously solar panel, claims 25 years, up to 25 years solar panel life, which is pretty impressive. I've never seen any solar sensor lights claim 25 years, so it'll be interesting to see how that lasts. It's integrated motion sensor. This is a radar sensor, so it's a little bit of a newer sensor. It's bright, 1000 lumen LED light, robust metal construction, which is what I like as well. It seems very heavy and well made. There is a lithium ion battery in this too, a 2600 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, which is also a good thing. You should get many years of use out of this. Button on the side for your on and off switch. I would have liked if this had a rubber casing or something. Yeah, it looks like potentially water can get into this button, or condensation or something. So I would have liked if this had a rubber cover or something over it to stop any moisture or anything getting into it. Yeah, adjustable solar panel, adjustable light as well when you mount it. Yeah, very, very nice, I reckon. That's your LED indicator light to indicate that this is charging. It does claim an IP44 rating for outdoor use. I would have liked if that was a bit better. I think, I reckon it's because of the switch that it's only rated for IP44. So yeah, I would have liked if it was IP65 or something like that, would have been a bit better. Another thing that I would like to see on these lights is a easy access to the battery, especially with this one. If it claims 25 years life on the solar panel, the LEDs normally have very, very long lifespan as well. 25,000 hours they claim for a lot of these LEDs. So it would be nice if you could access and change out the battery. I reckon that would be a good feature for some of these new solar motion lights. If you could easily pull off the back, change out the battery, then yeah, this should last a long time. Well, hopefully, we'll see anyway. Remember to give us a like, comment down in the comment section. I appreciate it. I read every comment. I try to reply to most, or pretty much all the comments that I get from you guys. I appreciate it. Consider subscribing as well. It just gives me more confidence to keep pushing out these videos. It helps get these videos out there more. So yeah, I appreciate all your support, guys. The guys that have already subscribed, good on you. Alright, I've got this mounted up, point in the sun. We'll let this charge up and I'll get back to you tonight, see how bright this light is. Alright, I'm probably 10 if not 15 meters away from the light now, so let's move. And as you can see, it's turned on. This thing is impressive, the range that this has got and how sensitive it is. And check out how bright it is, guys. Like, this is awesome. This is probably one of the best small solar lights I've owned, I reckon. So I'll be definitely picking up another 1 or 2 of these. Just see how bright this 1000 lumen LED is. Plenty bright. And I have noticed with this that it will even turn on when I'm walking from the back side of it as well. So it picks up, it's like almost a 360 degree range for this motion sensor. So, and as you can see, look at the light. Very awesome. Oh, I thought this would be interesting for some of you guys. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.